Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, I come at you live and in living color here in Jacksonville, Arkansas, and I wanted to introduce y'all to a very angry cat. But anyway, this is my Sherry. She gets a little mad. I think she's an old cat. She's 18 years old, and her birthday was on April 1st, April Fool's Day was her birthday, and she turned 18, and I've had her all these years since she was 4 weeks old, and she's very important to me. She's a lovely, lovely cat. She's got me through a lot of hard times. But anyway, without further ado, me and my possible hernia have something really cool for you today. I got a bunch of stuff from Wish in the mail, and I can only guess what it is since I ordered this stuff a long time ago. That was painful. No corona. So I'm going to leave that one back. See what this one is. A Wish unboxing. Interesting. Sherry. You know, somebody actually stole that cat from me one time, and she was gone for like 6 months. And I had already called my ex-wife and told her I didn't know what had happened. And she was the one that gave her to me on our anniversary one year. And yeah, April Fool's Day was our anniversary. Yeah, that was cool. But anyway, she had given her to me on our anniversary, and we'd basically had a little memorial for her. And 3, 4, 5, 6 months later, Sherry Bear over there, she decides she's gonna knock on my door. And she's just a frail little thing, and she come back home to me. I was very happy. All right. Well, this is just weird. Oh, I know what this is. Wow, I've been waiting on these guys for a long time. Check this out, guys. These are our protectors for our new phones. The Note 10 Pluses, me and Yaya got. So now we have our protectors have come in. And I can put these on our phones. And check that out. That's pretty nice. We've been keeping the factory ones on there this whole time, trying to keep them fresh. All right, so that's pretty neat. One down. All right, let's see what this one is. See what this is. Pretty sure I know what this is. I'll be using this in an upcoming video, I believe. It's gold paper. It's really, 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 really fine gold. See if I can take one out. Look at this, guys. You paint stuff with this. It's like gold leaf. I believe they make it with real gold, although I'm not sure. It did come from China, so you never really know. But it's some pretty cool stuff. All right. And one more For those of you that are not Trump supporters or whatever, I'm assuming what this is. So I would just turn off the video now or enjoy, because I believe this is a Trump item, although I could be wrong. Let us see. What do you know? Check it out. 1, 2. Oh, another package. A package inside a package. You can't beat that, can you? Whew, look at that. You know, Corona ain't got shit on me, guys. Let's check these out and see what they look like. All right. Keep America Great, 2020. Keep America Great, 2020. Keep America Great, 2020. Another Keep America Great. Another Keep America Great. I actually thought I ordered a different one, but apparently when they come from China, you never really know. So anyway, without further ado, let's put this on and see how many liberals I can make cry. That actually fits pretty good. Screenshot. Huh. What do y'all think? Alright. Anyway, that was fun for a moment. God bless America. God bless you. Keep me in your prayers. I see the doctor tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Later. Please like, subscribe, add, and comment. We'll see you next time. Bye.